Oracle Java SE 11 Practice Test 2026 Java SE 11 Programmer Certification Exam Questions and Answers. Question 1. Which of the following is a valid identifier in Java? 2. ND variable underscore myvar. Class myvar. Identifiers can start with a letter, underscore, or $sign, but not a digit. Class is a reserved keyword. Question 2. What is the output of system.out.println 10 plus 20 plus 30, 100 and 2030, 60, 3030, error? Java evaluates left to right. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30, then 30 plus 30 string concatenation equals 3030. Question 3. Which module is the base module in the Java module system? Java.base, Java.desktop, Java.se, Java.compiler. All modules depend on Java.base implicitly. Question 4. How do you declare a variable that cannot be changed after initialization? Static, volatile, final, abstract. The final keyword prevents a variable from being reassigned. Question 5. Which of the following is not a primitive type in Java? Int, boolean, string, double. String is an object/class, not a primitive. Question 6. What is the default value of a local variable? 0, false, none, it must be initialized. Local variables do not have default values and must be initialized before use. Question 7. Which loop is guaranteed to execute at least once? While, for, do while, enhanced for. A do-while loop checks the condition after the first execution. Question 8. What does the break statement do in a switch block? Exits the program, skips the current iteration, exits the switch block, goes to the default case. It prevents fall-through to the next case. Question 9. Which access modifier allows access within the same package and subclasses in different packages? Private, default, protected, public. Protected is package private plus subclasses. Question 10. Which method is used to start a thread? Run, start, init, execute. Calling start creates a new thread and calls run. Question 11. What is the size of an int in Java? 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit. In Java, an int is always 32 bits. Question 12. Which interface is the root of the collection hierarchy? List, set, collection, map. The collection interface is the parent of list, set, and queue. Map is separate. Question 13. How do you prevent a class from being inherited? Make it private, make it static, make it final, make it abstract. A final class cannot be extended. Question 14. Which operator is used to check the type of an object? Type of, instance of, ISA, cast. The instance of operator returns true if the object is of a specific type. Question 15. What is the output of 5/2 in Java, using ints? 2.5, 2, 3, 0. Integer division truncates the decimal part. Question 16. Which exception is thrown when an array is accessed with an invalid index? Array index out of bounds exception, index out of bounds exception, null pointer exception, illegal argument exception. Array index out of bounds exception is specific to arrays. Question 17. What does var do in Java 11? Declares a global variable. infers the local variable type, declares a constant, used for dynamic typing. var allows local variable type inference. Question 18. Which keyword is used to call a parent class constructor? Super, this, parent, base. Super calls the constructor of the direct superclass. Question 19. Which of these is a functional interface? Runnable, list, serializable, clonable. Runnable has exactly one abstract method, run. Question 20. What is the purpose of the static keyword? To make a variable constant. To associate a member with the class rather than instances. To prevent garbage collection. To increase performance. Static members belong to the class itself.